mind for so long, and I learned a lesson in life from this January. The weight left on my heart is less heavy when the first light shines. The first light shines in June. I know you met her before, the apple of my eye, lady du jour, the queen of my heart, love of my life, make her my wife, lover and friend. I'll never love another again, you know her. I met her out at the park, she had a glow about her even though her long hair was dark. At first she didn't pay me no mind, every word that I spoke got a reply of a rolling her eyes. I said if opposites attract then we fit, and see I think that we should be together and you feel the opposite. She laughed knowing I was trying to be cute, then wrote a number in the palm of my hand in dark blue. Now goes the story of the boy meets girl, boy falls in love with girl, takes advantage of boy, annoyed that I could have been so blind. From the start, playing my part, she had rehearsed every line, and I fell for it every time without shame. Playing the game caused the most beautiful pain that never displayed hope. Love was a lame joke, a black comedy written just to entertain folks. I knew I had to go when opportunity spoke. I left all of my emotions in the form of a note, and with the dark blue ink of the pen, I washed my hands free of the situation coming to end. God, I pray it never happens again. I had to say goodbye to Miss January. She had a hold of my mind for so long, and I learned a lesson in life from Miss January. The weight left on my heart is less heavy when the first light shines. The first light shines in
Your
June.
new love got the power to change any circumstance. I knew we were far from the same, but still I took a chance. Wish I could've looked in advance to your advances, knowing I'm the book but you've read to your advantage. I understand it's not like we planned it with the worst intentions. Take it for granted I was stranded in your first impressions. I know it hurts to question, but will we a curse or blessing? I guess it's worth confessing, maybe then we'll learn our lesson. Searching for your attention, hoping you were doing the same. Pursuing the vain, knowing that only you were entertained. Using me and I was new to the pain, cause rejection I hadn't met him though I knew him by name. True, I grew from the pain, in the days where I pay anything. Standing there like John Cusack from Say Anything, planning on for you to call back, but then it never rings. There were so many things, there were so many signs, and now I'm chasing wings, knowing it's a waste of time. Until my God reminds me of what I truly need. I take a look behind just before your beauty leaves, to get a glimpse of you, hoping that you see me too. And now we staring at two people that we never knew, and probably never know, hoping I'll forever grow into the one who finally gave the strength to let you go and change my ideas on what true love is. I wipe my eyes clear and rise above this.
I had to say goodbye to Miss January. She had a hold of my mind for so long, and I learned a lesson in life from Miss January. The weight left on my heart is less heavy when the first light shines. The first light shines in June.